If you don't have ChangeEngine's connection feature, you have two solutions from there. One, you do not do anything at all. Two, you are reaching out to HR or someone who has access to the HRIS or yourself. You're going to download the data, filter through the spreadsheets with different Excel formulas if you're Excel savvy, and build that org chart yourself. You're going to build the org chart to understand who is whose manager. You might also be manually tracking who someone's buddy is. Once you take a look at all these different spreadsheets you might have out there to understand who the relationship is, that is when then you have to take your Outlook or Gmail account, take the template you have, paste it into the email, copy, paste the person's name, and you might make mistakes, right? When you do these things manually, there's a lot of room for error. You might send an email to the wrong person. You might realize, oh, I sent the buddy message to the wrong buddy. And so it's a lot of manual work that goes into even just the setup process. And then when we think about the communication process, that's a totally different layer of errors that could happen, right?